expanding the snow plow industry to a new level, expanding your blade width, expanding your carrying capacity, expanding your profits. With the all-new XLS, the expandable length snowplow from Fisher. The XLS is the ultimate in snowplow advancements. Without leaving the comfort of your truck, you can expand the XLS with the simple touch of a button. Easy, fast, and revolutionary. Revolutionary because you can operate each wing independently, and you can configure the blade into any number of effective plowing positions, from the 8-foot retracted straight blade width to the 10-foot expanded width to a scoop width of nearly 9 feet wide. The XLS clearly delivers a new level of performance. Here's how. First, the width and carrying area of the XLS in scoop mode delivers significantly greater snow carrying capacity than traditional plows. Second, with the XLS, you can fully angle in the scoop position, maximizing your plow handling and capacity. It's ideal for carrying large quantities of snow or plowing around corners, congested parking lots, street curbs, and sidewalks. And there's no spill-off. The XLS makes windrowing an even more efficient way of moving snow. Take a look at how it saves time and cleanup. In a straight blade position, plows can have a difficult time keeping a full swath of snow from spilling off the leading blade edge during windrowing. With each pass, you're forced to use less of the blade width to keep snow from flowing off the end. On the XLS, you can expand the leading wing and angle it forward to direct snow into the mold board, which eliminates spill-off. You can use the entire blade width, making the most of every pass. What's more, the trailing wing extends the clearing area of the plow beyond the truck tires, eliminating snow loss under the vehicle and effectively reducing windrow passes and cleanup. No more wasted time chasing snow. The XLS is loaded with the distinctive innovations that Fisher is known for. The hydraulic wing extensions slide laterally across the structurally reinforced slide box. The tough construction of this channel provides excellent torsional blade strength and prevents distortion under heavy loads. The blade is built tough and has Fisher's superior Storm Guard powder coating that provides long wear and rust resistance. Unlike other expandable plows on the market, the XLS uses the trip edge design. Found on all Fisher plows, the trip edge protects you, your plow, and your vehicle from the sudden impact of hidden obstacles. If an obstruction is encountered while plowing, only the bottom edge of the plow will trip, unlike the competition's trip blades that can dump their loads when tripping. Since the blade and wings stay upright, you're always pushing snow. No need to worry about losing your load and having to go back and plow the same snow over again. And with the trip edge, you can stack easily without worrying about the blade tripping and slowing you down. Fisher's trip edge uses compression-type springs. Unlike extension springs, compression springs never need adjusting. They won't break and fall off of the plow as other spring types can, and they provide the longest life of any other spring on the market, usually the life of the plow. The XLS blade has a full 70-degree attack angle that provides a cleaner scrape, reducing the need for de-icing after plowing. The XLS incorporates a fast and powerful hydraulic system to provide quick response with all the hydraulic muscle needed for the most demanding conditions. And the hydraulic reservoir is positioned over the warm electric motor to help maintain optimum fluid viscosity. All solenoids are independently powered and grounded directly to the battery through our plow module for maximum reliability. The durable poly cover protects all critical electrical and hydraulic components from the harsh winter elements. And for quick filling and draining of hydraulic fluid, the ports are easily accessible. All hydraulic functions are controlled using multiplexing technology, the latest advancement in electrical systems that also allows interchangeability. With multiplexing, you can easily switch back and forth from our Extreme V plow to the XLS without changing anything on your truck. Maneuvering the XLS is easy with our ergonomic handheld control. Backlit directional buttons provide fingertip response and comfort, and individual buttons control each blade and wing function. By pressing and holding the scoop button, both wings simultaneously and fully extend and go into scoop position. By pressing and holding down on the retract button, both wings simultaneously and fully retract to the straight blade position. With the right and left wing in-out buttons, each blade wing independently extends, scoops, or retracts. Every XLS snowplow is equipped with Fisher's Minute Mount 2, simply the easiest and most trouble-free attachment system available. Drive-in is easy. Even if your alignment isn't perfect, the extra-wide flared receiver brackets guide the attachment arms into place horizontally and vertically. No need to spend extra money on optional alignment systems offered by other manufacturers. Attaching the Minute Mount 2 is so easy. When you raise the single built-in pin release handle, the connecting pins are ready for engagement. With just a little push on the headgear, the spring-loaded pins pop into place. Then, pull the jack lock, snap the handle into its storage clip, and simply raise the jack stand. The jack lock automatically keeps the jack in the raised position. Then, plug in the weatherproof solid-pinned electrical connectors. And that's it. So quick and easy, you'll be out plowing in no time. Take another look. It's so simple, reliable, and fast. No need to jump from one side of the plow to the other. A clearly safer, time-saving advantage. Detaching is even easier. After lowering the blade, the spring-loaded pull-down cable automatically retracts the lift arm. Remove the pin release handle from its clip while pulling out on the jack lock, and the jack automatically drops to the ground. Then, while pushing on the headgear, lower the pin release handle to disengage the pins. Unplug the electrical, and you're done. It's easily the quickest system to detach. Fisher's Minute Mount 2 also features a chain lift, a simple mechanical system that offers several advantages over competitors' hydraulic lift systems. First, with the chain system, you get instantaneous float when lowering the blade. Unrestricted, the blade can freely follow the contours of the plowing surface for a cleaner scrape. Second, with the chain lift, you can stack higher because you're not limited by the hydraulic ram stroke, unlike cylinder lift systems which can only pull the plow up as far as the limits of the cylinder's range. And third, in the rare event of a hydraulic failure, you can push the plow up into a snowbank and short chain the plow by attaching it to the specially designed bracket and safely transport the plow back to the shop instead of being stranded. This is the kind of straightforward, common-sense mechanical design that professionals appreciate. No electrical or hydraulic parts to fail, and no special accessories needed. The E-Force isolation module is also worth noting. The module eliminates potential voltage spikes from entering your vehicle's sensitive electronic systems and automatically activates the plow lights with your vehicle's headlights, so there's no need for a separate switch. In addition, the undercarriage system is the same for any of our straight, expandable, or V-plows, giving you flexibility when you need it. What's more, the Minute Mount 2 provides the best ground clearance for permanently mounted vehicle attachments in the industry. You won't have to worry about getting hung up on the curb. All XLS snowplows also include our powerful and industry-best Intensifier halogen light system. State-of-the-art reflector optics provide the operator with a smooth, wide beam pattern that illuminates the entire plowing area with minimal glare above the lamp, especially during snowfall. The Intensifier plow lights feature a 1500-hour H13 long-life halogen bulb, which minimizes the need for bulb replacement over the life of the lamp. But when it is time to replace the bulb, the easy-to-remove bulb access cover and simple twist-in bulb makes replacement quick and easy. And the robust two-stud mounting keeps the lamp in its optimal mounting position, even when subjected to the harshest shock and vibration forces, eliminating the need for re-aiming. Wings that expand at the touch of a button, extending your plowing width, capacity, and profits. It all happens with the revolutionary XLS snowplow from Fisher.
Your Fisher plow is rugged, hard-working, and the best in the business. Now, optimize your plowing performance with the best, genuine, factory-tough Fisher accessories. Add on our durable 2-ply rubber deflectors to keep flying snow off your windshield for clear visibility while plowing. Use Fisher's replaceable cutting edges, made of tough, high-carbon steel, to increase your blade's wear resistance and improve cutting power and scraping ability. A bolt-on shoe kit extends the life of your blade's cutting edge and base angle when plowing rocky or abrasive surfaces. Fisher Genuine Factory Tough Accessories. Insist on nothing less.